Now try this. This is asked in your GATE 1998. See, recurrence previous year questions are difficult. Recurrence previous year questions are difficult. Okay, it is not as easy as it look. It is difficult. See, now we'll start. So here it is saying that x to the power n is equal to 2 to the power, and for 1 xn is equal to 2 to the power x n minus 1, then minus 1. Okay, now in place of xn it is doing 2 into and reducing by 1, then minus 1. So in place of xn minus 1 I will do 2 xn minus, it will reduce by 1, so it will get 2, then minus 1, minus 1. So it will be 2 to the power 2 x n minus 2 minus 2 minus 1. 1 is there, no? We can write it as a 2 to the power 0. Okay, now so we got 2 square x to the x n minus 2 and minus 2 minus 2 to the power 0. Now in place of x n minus 2 I can write as 2 x n minus 3 reduced by 1, then minus 1, then minus 2, then minus 2 to the power 0. Okay, so it will be 2 to the power 3 x n minus 3 minus 2 to the power 2 minus 2 to the power 1 minus 2 to the power 0. See, so whatever number here we are getting, it is subtracting with that. See, 2 then n minus 2, 3 then n minus 3, when it is 1 then n minus 1. So whatever the 2 is having the power, it is reducing with that, means number here n minus that power. Okay, okay, so it will keep on growing like this. It will be 2 to the power k x n minus k minus, if here is 3 then here is 2, so it is reducing by 1, then 2 then 1. So it will be, since here it's k, that will be k minus 1, then it will be k minus 2. Similarly it will go like this, 2 to the power 1 minus 2 to the power 0. So now we have to make n minus k is equal to 1, equal to 1, then only we can substitute with 2. So now n minus k equal to 1, how we can make? So k will go there. So you take your time, then decide. Okay, you can take your time. So if you're done with the writing, then you can let me know. In place of k I will write n minus 1, so it will be 2 n minus 1, then x n minus k was there. In place of k I will write n minus 1, then it will be 2 n minus 2, because k minus 2, then 2 n minus 3, like this it will go, minus 2 to the power 1 minus 2 to the power 0. See what I did, in place of k I have written n minus 1, then n minus n minus 1, then k minus 1. So n minus 1 minus 1 is going to n minus 2, n minus 2, then n minus 3, like you are going to get 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 0, like this. Is it clear? So you are going to get 2 to the power n minus 1, then x, if I'll open the bracket, it will be minus n, then plus 1, n minus n, then plus 1, minus 2 to the power n minus 2, minus 2 to the power n minus 3, minus 2 to the power 1, minus 2 to the power 0. So you will cancel this. You are going to get 2 to the power n minus 1 x1 minus 2 to the power n minus 2 minus 2 to the power n minus 3, like this. It will be minus 2 to the power 1 minus 2 to the power 0, then x1 is going to be 2, then you are getting 2 into 2 to the power n minus 1 minus 2 to the power n minus 2. See, I am doing step by step so that you don't do any mistake. Okay, don't get confused anywhere. Then you are going to get, since its power is 1, then you are going to get 2 to the power n, then minus 2 to the power, because 1 plus n minus 1 you are going to get 2 to the power n, then 2 to the power n minus 2 minus 2 to the power n minus 3, like this. You are going to get 2 to the power 1 minus 2 to the power 0. Please let me know if you are done with the writing. Now see again. So this you have already done. I am erasing here. Okay, I am erasing here. Now see, you got 2 to the power n, and then minus to the n minus 2 minus to the. So what I will do, I will take minus from here common. From this side I will take minus as common. So you write 2 to the power n you got, then I'm taking minus as common. So it is going, now I'm writing this term beginning to the 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, to the n minus 3 till to the n minus 2. So to the 0, then to the power 1, then to the 2, then to the 3, then to the 4, like this it will go to the 2 to the power. What was the last two term? It was 2 to the power, let me check, n minus 3 plus 2 to the power n minus 2. Okay, see, 2 to the power n minus 2, 2 to the power n minus 3. Okay, now now see this thing, it is in AP, it is increasing in 2, it is in, sorry, it is in GP. Okay, GP, I am multiplying with 2, 2, 2, 2. So if the common difference R is 2, then GP is saying that it should be A to the power R to the power n. N is the number of term minus 1 by R minus 1, the sum of the GP. It is increasing in GP, then sum of the GP is going to A bracket of an R to the power n. R is the common difference, means the number with which we are doing the multiplication with 2, it is increasing. So the first term is your 1, that is 2 to the 0 is 1, then R is your 2, R is your 2, and number of term here 1, 2, 3, n minus 1, n minus 2, then for 0, for this also we are having plus 1, so we are having total n minus 1 term. See, here 1, 2, 3, 4 till n minus 2 we got, n minus 2 numbers we got, then for this term we got plus 1, total number we got n minus 1. So R is your 2, R is your 2, so 2 to the power, 2 to the power n minus 1 minus 1, then R is your 2, 2 minus 1. Okay, please let me know whether it is clear or not. Okay, now see what I will do. So it is 2 to the power n, then it is 2 to the power n minus 1 minus 1, because 2 minus 1 you are going to get 1 only, so you can write in a smaller bracket, remove the bigger one. You are just going to get from here 2 to the power n minus 1 this. So now open the bracket, so minus 2 to the power n minus 1, then plus 1. Okay, now take from there 2 to the power n as the common, 2 to the power n I have taken as common, so 1. So you can write 2 to the power n minus 1 is equal to 2 by 2n by 2. That's why it is like that now. So I have taken 2 to the power n as common, so you are going to get here 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So this thing 2 to the power n minus 1 is equal to 2 to the power n divide by 2. Okay, that's why since it is in divide, it will go in the subtraction in the power. Okay, so minus 1 by 2. These things are the part of math. I hope that you know these things. You are going to get minus 2 to the power n minus 1 plus 1. Oh, sorry, 2 to the power n minus, I have taken all, I have already taken as common, then only we have to write plus 1. Plus 1. Clear? Yeah, everyone is saying clear. So it is going to your half 2 to the power n plus 1. So you are going to get 2 to the power n minus 1, since it is divided by 2 plus 1. Okay. So you got 2 to the power n minus 1 plus 1. This is the answer. See, this way only you have to approach, since you are doing for the first time and since the beginning you are learning the concept. That's why you are taking time. That's why I am doing step by step. Okay, otherwise I will go in very fast, and you can also go after doing practice, you will able to do very fast. Okay, so in gate exam it will not take that much time.